So the good folks at Kingsyard Bird Feeders saw my videos on the DIY bird feeder stand, as well as how to keep birds from pecking on your windows. And they said, hey, why don't you check out some of our bird feeder? So they sent me these 3 models. The 2-pack tube feeder is made from premium hard plastic and features 6 feeding ports. A feature that I like is it has a tapered bottom that makes it hard for squirrels to latch onto. It's easy to refill and clean. Just lifts right off and folds out of the way. It also holds up to 1.5 pounds of mixed or Blackwell sunflower seeds. The glass hummingbird feeder also features 6 feeding ports. It comes with an ant moat that you fill up with water to keep the ants from accessing the nectar. The design also makes it easy to clean and refill. This decorative painted bird feeder also features 6 ports for feeding. The design makes it easy to refill and clean. Simply lift it up and out of the way. It's made of painted metal. So if you're in the market for a bird feeder, check out Kingsyard.